After 30 years of practice, now I travel, lecture, speak, and performance coach with dentists around North America and sometimes in Europe. And what I find that these dentists are challenged by is a rapid change in everything we're doing in this profession, from technology to diagnosis to the ways we can see things now that we couldn't see 10 years ago. And how do they deal with that? And how do they bring together the complexity of today's dental practice? When I went out into practice, it was quite simple. That was way back in the early 1970s. But today it's much more complicated. And what they find is that they need to find organizations that bring together the best thinkers in the world. And whether those thinkers totally agree, that's okay, because in any profession, we have to have disagreement. In fact, if we all agree, then we don't need to meet. But the organization like AES, Occlusion, TMD, and Comprehensive Care brings all the elements and all the authorities in that field together, and there you can learn and you can hear differing opinions. When I was a young dentist, it wasn't quite as complex, but even then there was complexity. I remember sitting and listening to some of the greats in dentistry, people like Peter Dawson, debating another individual relative to centric relation. And it was great for me to hear that as a young dentist, because I was confused. Where should I follow? When you come to an AES meeting, you'll get to hear the differences, you'll get to ask questions, and you'll get to see the research and the science behind each of the presenters' material, and then you can make up your own mind. And even better than that, you've got wonderful clinicians here that have tremendous amount of fellowship and are willing to share all of their knowledge. And so I tell all of my coaching clients, in fact, I'm president this year, and I brought 28 of my coaching clients to this meeting this year, because there is no better place than AES as a 2-day meeting, and it's an absolute steal when you look at the cost. The fees are ridiculously low. Hope you'll join us. Look forward to meeting you personally.